When your computer stops working, you stop working, and that's a problem to essential things. That is why you should hire us to fix your computer issues. Whatever the problem may be, we can fix it. We offer the best computer solutions at an affordable price and a quick turnaround time. Contact us for your computer upgrades, computer repairs, software installation, virus removal, printer installation, desktop or laptop, any computer solution at all. Fixing all your remote computer issues 24/7. iFix PC Now. Visit www.ifixpcnow.com. Contact us at support@ifixpcnow.com or call 1-888-279-7773.